Your gear will die without this case. Why pros swear by the Pelican 1535 Air? Don't travel naked. You ever pack your expensive gear, camera, drone, mic, maybe even grandma's vintage lens, into some random tough case and hope for the best? Yeah, and then pray the baggage handlers at TSA don't body slam it like it owes them money? We've all been there. Cracked lenses. Fried electronics. Sand in the circuits. And let's not talk about that one time water accidentally got in. Stressful much? You're not just risking gear, you're risking your reputation, your footage, your entire mission. Stop gambling with your grind. If your tools matter, why are they riding coach with a trash bag's worth of protection? The chaos doesn't end at broken gear. Missed deadlines. No backup footage. Frantic repairs. Ever try rebooking a shoot because your gear got wrecked mid-flight? It's like juggling flaming chainsaws. When your clients, team, or followers are counting on you, every delay feels like a full-blown career crisis. And the stress? Phew. Creeping burnout. Second-guessing every travel decision. Constant what-ifs. Meanwhile, competitors with solid gear cases? Breezing through airports like bulletproof ninjas. If your current setup feels like you're rolling dice with fate, maybe it's time to level up your defense game. Your grind deserves better than duct tape and denial. Enter the Pelican Air 1535 case, aka the armored limousine for your precious gear. It's crushproof, waterproof, dustproof, TSA approved, and mil-spec certified. We're talking legit military-grade protection that's 40% lighter than traditional cases thanks to that magic HPX2 polymer. Wheels? Smooth as jazz. Handle? Telescopic swagger. Foam interior? Pick and pluck magic that hugs your equipment like a koala on Red Bull. It's got automatic pressure equalization for altitude changes, stainless steel lock points, and a tight-as-heck O-ring seal. Translation: your gear's basically Fort Knox in a roller case. It's not just a case, it's a flex. And it's built to outlast your passport. No more panic packing. With Pelican's customizable foam or dividers, you can dial in the perfect fit whether you're hauling a cinema rig, scuba gear, drones, or that sweet podcast setup. It's carry-on size, so it rides with you, no more baggage claim roulette. And this isn't some rookie case, it's trusted by first responders, military pros, and gear nerds with zero room for error. You'll get peace of mind, travel agility, and organization that actually sparks joy. Want to protect your grind like a pro? Watch the full breakdown, see it in action, and discover why thousands call this their ride or die case. Limited stock. Lifetime warranty. Street tested by divers, filmmakers, drone pilots, and tactical pros worldwide. Still rolling with a wannabe Amazon knockoff that squeaks and leaks like a sad cooler? Yikes. Don't wait till your next disaster to upgrade. This is your sign. Gear up. Lock in. Level out. Thousands have already made the switch and swear they'll never go back. Click that link. Smash subscribe. Drop a comment if you've survived a gear fail horror story. This is your once-in-a-lifetime case for a once-in-a-lifetime journey. Don't let busted gear be your legacy. Protect it like your career depends on it, because it does.